Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a little trick that I found to be effective to clean a 2010 Prius's EGR. The problem with my EGR was that after 250,000 miles and never being cleaned, it was completely clogged and it needed to be cleaned out. So the first thing I tried was, this is all degreaser, by the way, and it's completely full with degreaser. I laid it in there. At first I actually tried brake cleaner and took out some of the junk that was around the front of the EGR, the front sides of the entrances and exits, these sides. It did take out most of the gunk from there, but that's all it did. There was no water coming out from the other side. So I used oven cleaner afterwards. Oven cleaner really didn't do much. And then I threw it in here for about 3 days, left it to soak in completely. And even after that, there was nothing. People told me to go try the jet washers, the pressured washers at car washes. I even tried that and did no luck. But what I came across, a simple little trick that I came across was to use this little piece of wire. And what you want to do is, this wire is actually a clothes hanger, so you can find this like anywhere inside your house. A clothes hanger would be completely fine, it fits perfectly. And what you want to do with this is you want to cut it up and make it completely straight. And you see those little grooves inside of the EGR, those little slots. You just want to stick it in there. And once you get it in there, you're just gonna force it. It's gonna hurt your hand a little bit, but it'll be fine. It's better than waiting 5 days for degreaser to work. You're gonna want to just push it in there as hard as possible and try to just get it to completely go through. This is going to take a while, I know, but it does a trick. It took out most of the gunk within a day. After like 15 minutes of me just pushing this in through each one of those little grooves. There's about like 30-40 of those, I'm not sure. After throwing it in there for a few extra times, it managed to clear out about like 10% per se of the passage. So just try your best to get it through. All you gotta do is just get the clothes hanger completely straight, push it through one of those grooves. You could kind of see it from here. Sorry for the shakiness. You just push it through the groove. Push it as hard as possible. It does require some wrist strength for it. You will hurt your thumb a little bit. Use a glove, it will make it a lot more easier. Once you push it through as hard as possible, just give it like a push, like you're cleaning out an old chimney. Once you do that, you see all that gunk that's just popping through. I know I'm not supposed to be doing this on my floor, but I'll be able to clean it up later. You just do that, and hopefully that will get your EGR to be like new again. After you're done doing this though, you can even kind of see the light on the other side when you look through it, because of how I'm opening this up. After you're done cleaning it though, try to, after you're completely emptied out every single slot, put some oven cleaner in it, plug one side up, and then the other side will just pour down the degreaser through it. Keep it there for a few hours and then just wash it through. Do this 2 or 3 times and you should have an EGR that's almost brand new.